Today, we're going to be strengthening our legs. This will be slightly more challenging than the previous videos, but if you've been keeping up your daily routine of movement, I believe you'll be able to complete today's low intensity interval training workout where we strengthen our legs for 45 seconds, then we take a break for 15 in 5 rounds. Okay, let's move our legs in minutes. The workout begins in 15 seconds, so hands behind your bum, chest upright, shoulders back, and we're going to bow down. As we bow down, stick your bum out, and we're going to pelvic thrust our bum forward. And bow down, making sure you keep that chest upright, bum leaning back as you go down, and we're going to pelvic thrust forward. Remember to breathe. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Okay, now we're going to do this. Put our right leg sideways and we're going to squat down halfway and bring our legs back together. Do the same on the left side. Squat down, sit back up again. 2, 1. Right leg out. Squat down halfway, bring it back together again. Left leg out, sit back down, sit back up. We really want to put the weight on our back leg and pushing it up again. Way past the halfway point now. Ten more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now feet shoulder width apart, and we're gonna bring our right leg forward with it being straight and flex our toes as much as we can and put it back down. And do it on the same on the left side. Straight leg, flex, and bring it back down. Straight leg, flex, bring it back down. Left leg straight, flex your toes, pointing it forward, bring it back down. Ooh, well that sweat's running down my face. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. And now we're gonna squat down and pretend we're picking something up, like so. Remembering to keep our chest out, shoulders back as we come in, pick the stuff up. You can stay on your toes on the way down, or if you have the flexibility, stay on your heels. Squat down, grab something, pick it back up. Squat down, all the way down, pick it back up. Remember to breathe. On the way up, if you want it slightly more challenging, squeeze your bum together and straighten your legs. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. And here we go. Final exercise. We're going to bring our left leg and turn it this way and then put our heels back to our butt, bring it back down. On the same left side, out this way, bring it to our butt. Right leg raised, turn it outwards, bend your knee, put it back down again. Of course, if you want to make it easier, just put it slightly higher, bend your knee to your foot, and do the same on the other side and touch your calf muscle. But I'm gonna do the more challenging way. It's up to you though. We're way past the halfway point. Ten more seconds in the last round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get one last rep in. There we go. How did you find today's leg strengthening workout? Was it slightly more challenging? Let me know in the comments below. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more workout videos. But before I go, if you feel like you can do more though and want to add on to your routine, remember to go and revise your older videos. All right, I'll check you all out next time. Goodbye.